Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So you can see I'm trying to get back my money from whatever apps I have paid for, like whatever apps I've used and I paid for. So you can see it right here. Like for this, I have already got. Let's do one thing. Let's go to his help and feedback, and then we can check request your Google Play refund, and they will be asking a Gmail ID. Okay, continue. Yes, confirm your Gmail ID, and then you can choose the like whatever subscription you have taken, and if you want to get your money back, so you can choose it and you can get your money back. Like for downside, you can see one thing that see last app, last two, and then three. For the third one, LinkedIn Premium one, I have already asked for the refund amount, and you can see it. I bought it on like last month. Okay, so it has been around 1 month. Still, we can ask for a money refund process. And here also I have bought it for like in Jan itself. So again, I have asked for refund process. So for medium also I have done it, but for you can see this right, this 2024, this one. So I have not asked for refund process for this, so I am doing it for this too. So I am not, maybe there will be some apps where they won't be able to, like you can write anything not useful or something. So even there would be apps who won't like give you money back, but I think, like as per my experience, I have got money for, okay, I have got money for, you can change it to, okay, I have got money for most of the most, not most, all the apps that I have asked for refund, right? So you can also try, even if you have bought the subscription 2 or 3 months back, then also you can get it. And if you are not getting it, so that's okay, at least you use that features, but give it a try, maybe they will be refunding your amount, so that's great, truly great. And then that money you can use for something else, and again once used, then you can again go for Google Play Store and you can again refund for your money. So stay tuned, this is truly a great way, or if you are following the steps, if you are understanding it, then you can easily get your money back from whatever whatever apps you are using from your Google Play Store. So that's wise if you are using Google Play Store to purchase any sort of subscription, so that if in future you want to get your money back, you can do it. Even if from laptop you are doing it, you just, what you need to do is just go to that app's website, like Google Gmail account, and then you can see help desk, something like this. Then you just go help and feedback, go for it, apply for Google refund process, and you will be getting your money within 1 or 2 days. Within 12 to 13 hours, I have got money for one of my, just wait, you can see it right here. So you can see it here, I have got my money for Google AdWord account. Like you can see 5:36 a.m. they did it. Like I got my money back for, like, in one Gmail account you can create multiple Google AdWords accounts. So I created around 4 to 5 account from one Gmail ID for various purposes, like for different tasks. So my account got suspended, my Gmail account got suspended for Google AdWords, and then whatever amount was like there in my AdWord accounts, various AdWord account, so I was not at all able to use that amount. So what I did, I just tried to start the process of refunding it, and then yeah, they have started processing my refund money. You can see it, I have got it for one account, and still there are 3 to 4 accounts where in one there is 1200 something, 500, and then even 0.59 some rupees also. So I'm just telling you how to do it for any app, like whatever apps you are using, so you can easily do it. It's not a big issue that your amount has got stuck and you are not at all able to get your money back, but there are a lot of ways where that you can use, and you can get your money back within 1 day or 2 business days. So yeah, just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos and videos related to digital marketing, like anything related to online marketing services, graphic designing and writing. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.